Luis's 1J in the JZX100 Chaser drift car. Right along in Luis's Chaser, going for a little drip.
I can't hear it.
Right along with Luis Chaser. Gonna go on a little ride along with Luis in this Chaser. Thank you for the ride along, pretty exciting. Man, this thing is fun.
Yeah.
Makes all the right noises. Came back from a ride along in Luis's Chaser. This thing sounds so good with the 1J and looks great as well. Thank you for the ride along. Cars leaving. We have a boy with Rock. Rock leaving in the Civic. And we have FK8 Civic Type R leaving. We also have this Mark IV Supra that just pulled up over here. Popping the hood, exposing the 2JZ engine. The Spoon Euro R is heading out. Nice to meet you. Alright, so sun is about to set. There's a bunch of drifting still going on. Cars heading out with this white body Mustang. This R32 white body GTR is about to leave. Another buddy, Kevin, about to leave in his DC5 RSX. And racing gloves. And twin turbo Mustang. This thing looks rowdy. Look at the drag slicks in the rear. Also spotted this really clean CRX. Oh, besides Adrian, I think Adrian's about to leave in this EF hatch. Adrian heading out in his super clean EF hatch. Rico got best engine bay. Hey, that's badass. I didn't even... Wesley moving his turbo BRZ for some photos. Also want to come over here to my S2000 because he left a little hotware. Top 30. Christian's super cool BMW. We'll do a feature of this car whenever we have some time, but came back strong with a really cool build. Breaking necks. Also won best wheels at Clean Culture Show. Super clean inside and out. Love the motor white body fenders. Clear tails. Alright, so you guys can see it's a lot darker now. And we have the floodlights on. Drifting still going on. Let's check out some night drifting, shall we? With night meets, we have the underglow going on. People bringing back the underglow trend from the early 2000s. So Mike heading out in his VBWRX. Such an aggressive build. Love how it looks. Okay. We have this Various R35 GTR leave-in. Such a clean build. One of my favorites, one at the show. Apparently there's a two-step rev competition going on, so let's check it out. Quite a few of the cars. We have Mustang with some direct slicks. We have a Beamer with a parachute with this Hoonigan truck. Ken Block's old Hoonigan truck. Elbows here. And for the two-step revving competition, the BMW with the twin turbo setup on. So this is the setup, the twin turbo setup, shooting flames off the hood. Crazy. And you know this thing means business with the parachute. One of this is a direct car. LSX motor. Eardrums ringing so loud. So we moved the cars to the light so that you can get some better photos. So we have my S2000, we have Chris's FL5 Type R, Rico's Slam BRZ on bags, white body, Wesley's Turbo BRZ, and Steve's Supercharged BRZ. Our boy Christian also moved his BMW over here as well. Alright, so right now we're gonna head out to go grab some tacos with the boys. Little gas station stop, filling up gas on the S2000. She's been pretty low on gas. Looks so good in this gas station lighting. And we also have Rico with his BRZ, and we have Steve in his BRZ as well, getting tacos. Just got over here to Rosita's El Pastor. This car was just at the car show too. So yeah, just waiting in line for some good tacos. We're here with Rico, just me and Rico. What you gonna get?
4 tacos, 2 al pastor, 2 pili.
Nice.
Chicken fajita.
Probably get pastor as well as barbacoa. Got my tacos. We got 2 barbacoa, and I also got 2 pastor. Tacos.
We have Rico.
Alright, so I realized I forgot to end off my vlog, but all in all, I had a great time at Clean Culture Car Show. The last few vlogs you guys saw was from the same show, Clean Culture Texas, which was held in Austin, Texas. It's been a little while since I've been to a car show. I go to a lot of car meets, but you know, I used to start off going to a lot of shows, going to about 7 shows a year back in like 2017 till around like 2022, 2023 with my Mitsubishi Lancer build, and then I've just slowed down and went to more meets instead of shows. But yeah, always a great time seeing old friends, making new ones. So hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you guys want to check out more car meet and more car show videos, it's a whole separate playlist on the channel, car meets and car shows. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.